It's been a great year for all of us, and we are, of course, very happy, and we are here in Thanksgiving. And so we thought it best that we will come together tonight as one family, as one group to celebrate and be in Thanksgiving.
Enjoying the night, tulad ng sinabi ng ating mga pare, may the Lord grant us most of our important wishes. May they all come true. Thank you.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year, everyone! We love you all, and we thank you all for being with us. One Tomasian alumni in solidarity with each other. Thank you and good evening.